Okay, listen up, people. I've got this online image maker and editor. It's called Photopea, and you can create stuff like Photoshop, Illustrator, a PDF, or any type of image you want. JPeg, PNG, GIF, TIFF, SVG, etc. And all you do is you just open up the new project, and you choose the image size you want it, and you can just go ahead and once you've chosen what you wanted, I specified what I wanted, and I wanted a white background, or I can have a transparent background. And I can just click on this, and here we go. Now you can start editing just like you would in Photoshop or Illustrator, and you can save it as a ping or whatever you want. So you can just start putting your little drawings on there, and we can blur some stuff, move this around, type in some text. Basically, it's a lot easier to use than GIMP. And I know there's a Canva, but you just really don't want to rely on one source. But this is just about as easy. And if you like to use Photoshop, you've used it in the past, this is a perfect tool for it. Then you can save it once you do your design for your banners, your stickers, or whatever, or your stuff for your T-shirts, images, for your YouTube or other social media. You can make it right here, and when you're done, just go ahead and you can download the PDF. You can download it as a Photoshop or an Illustrator file or an image file, and then you're good to go. So I just thought I'd mention this because this is a free online image creation and editing tool, and it's absolutely free. And I'll leave the link down below. Thanks for watching.